Now we will discuss the direct repair system for DNA repair mechanisms. Direct repair systems act directly on damaged nucleotides, converting each one back to its original structure. Means there is a single step which will revert back. But only a few types of damaged nucleotide can be repaired directly. One very common type of ultraviolet radiation mediated damage is the pyrimidine dimer. You can see here, this is the pyrimidine dimer. This bond is formed after the exposure of DNA to the ultraviolet rays. These pyrimidine dimers are repaired by a light dependent direct system called photoreactivation mechanism. In this mechanism in the E. coli, the process involves the enzyme called DNA photolyase enzyme. When stimulated by light with a wavelength between 300 to 500 nanometer, the enzyme binds to pyrimidine dimer. This enzyme will be dimer and convert back to its monomeric nucleotides. Means after the photoreactivation mechanism, the enzyme will break these bonds. Now the thymines are in their monomeric forms. Another example is very important, in which at the 6th position of guanine there is a methyl group. The presence of alkylating agent and is a common and highly mutagenic lesion. It tends to pair with thymine rather than cytosine during replication. Direct repair of O6 methyl guanine, this is O6 methyl guanine, is carried out by O6 methyl guanine DNA methyltransferase enzyme. It is a type of alkyl transferase which catalyzes the transfer of the methyl group of O6 guanines to a specific cysteine residue in the same protein. Means this will remove this methyl group from here, and there will be introduced a triple bond in this position. Now this is repaired. So both the DNA photolyase enzyme and DNA methyltransferase enzyme in a single step process revert back its original structure of nucleotides. Thank you.